Take this hammer and whack this right here.
Okay.
Good job.
Nice, dude. Hey, you're strong.
See these nails?
No.
Whoa.
Do you guys want to see our slab? Come on. So this is the slab for our shop. It's going to be a garage space right here when you drive in. We're going to have a little bathroom in this back corner. And then we'll have a doorway here and stairs here to go up to like an open bunkhouse, office possibly. Either way, it'll just be a really nice wide open space.
Heck yeah. Next time we come back, we'll have some walls up. Tack this window in so she could see what it looked like. She said it looks good, so I'm gonna frame all that in, nail it off from the outside, and order that window. It'll be a lot better because when you look out, you'll see just trees and you won't see the whole yard. Because if you want to see the whole yard, you can come over to this side, see everything. But here, you can just see the trees and it's much nicer.